We brought A1. We want to translate the story of Princess Shoes. Let's go to the video.
In the past, there was a king who had four beautiful princesses. The king protected his daughter with all his heart, and they were not allowed to go out during the day. But every morning, they woke up with a very strange situation. The shoes of the princesses looked damaged as if they were dancing overnight. The king had to buy new shoes every day, but the next day the shoes were always broken.
How can this happen? How can the shoes be broken only in the last night?
I'm afraid I don't understand, Your Majesty.
Eventually, the king said,
Anyone who can break the mystery of my daughter's shoes can marry one of my daughters and will be king after me. But he has 3 days and 3 nights to break it. If he fails, he will be jailed for life.
A lot of young men and princes came to the castle. They guarded the door of the poor princess's room, but after a few days, no one could break the mystery, and the princess's shoes were constantly broken.
When a poor man was guarding the princess's door, the princesses always gave him a drink, and the poor man always slept early every night. After 3 days, he couldn't break the mystery of the princess's shoes.
It's been 3 days. Can you solve the mystery of the shoes? I can break the mystery of the shoes, Your Majesty.
Finally, a careful youth decided to try, and he went to the castle. In the middle of the way, he meets an old grandmother who looks very poor.
I'm so hungry. Can you give me a slice of bread?
The grandmother knows that the young man is different from the other young men.
Take this magical rope. When it comes to you, it will not be tied up. Exactly at midnight, put on the rope so as not to be seen, and go into the princess's room so you can break the mystery of the shoes. But be careful not to drink anything that the princess has given you. They are indeed naughty princesses.
The young man took the magical rope and went to the castle. And when he arrived at the castle, he conveyed his purpose to solve the mystery of the shoes.
The first day, when the youth was awake outside the first princess's room, the princess came out with a glass of lemonade.
You must be thirsty. We made the water lemonade for you. Let's drink.
The young man forgot the grandmother's warning and drank it, and he was sleepy. He fell asleep throughout the night. The princesses had prepared for him. When a youth woke up in the morning, he panicked and said,
I shall wear a magical robe and go into the princess's room.
On the second night, the young man guarded the princess's room. This time, another princess came out with a glass of oranges.
I know you must be thirsty when protecting our room. Let's drink.
Without thinking, he was drinking all the juice given to him. And of course, he fell asleep again.
The next morning, when he woke up, he recalled the grandmother's message.
There must be a sleeping drug in the drink given by the princess.
At that moment, the king came to the yacht and warned him.
Your Majesty, It's an honor to meet you.
2 days passed, and you still haven't broken the mystery of the shoes. If you fail today, you will be jailed for your lifetime.
That night, for the last time, the young man was in front of the princess's room. This time, the youngest princess came out with a glass of orange juice, but the youth took the glass of orange and thanked the princess. When the princess went in, he threw the orange juice into the pot beside him.
This time he stood upright. Midnight arrived. The young man wore his cloak and immediately became invisible. Slowly, he started opening the door and didn't believe in what he saw. All the princes were wearing their prettiest dresses. They styled their hair and they looked very pretty. Of course, they used their new shoes.
Can you check if he's asleep?
At that moment, the yacht had to make the snoring sound.
A secret staircase appeared under the bed. One by one, the princesses entered the secret staircase, and the yacht followed from behind.
The secret path headed to a staircase with hundreds of steps going down. When they went down the staircase, the yacht unintentionally stepped on the dress of one of the princesses.
Someone is treading on my dress.
Ah, it's not possible. Maybe you tripped. When the princesses finished, they went to a beautiful garden. They walked past the trees with a beautiful silver twig. The youth took a twig and continued to follow the princesses.
After their long walk, they stopped at a river. They were 4 goose-shaped boats, and 4 princes waited for the princesses. The prince rode on the boat, and the young man climbed to the last boat.
This boat is like heavier than usual, as there is an extra person on it. Is that right?
Ah, stop dreaming.
After crossing the river, they arrived at a sparkling large castle and they could listen to the sound of music that came in the castle. When looking through that window, they saw a lot of people dancing.
Once they entered the castle, the princesses began to dance. They never saw tired and continued dancing. Of course, their shoes began to be broken. The young man was hungry, so he took a piece of cookies and began to eat.
Hey, my cookies hover like any invisible person ate it. Already, do not talk.
The young man took a golden cup without anyone watching. The princesses danced until morning. The princesses climbed the boat, crossed a river, walked through the forest, climbed a very long staircase, and finally arrived at the castle, but their shoes were already damaged as usual. The young man was very happy to be able to break the mystery of the shoes.
Shortly afterwards, the king came to the yacht and said,
Your time has ended today. Did you break the mystery of the shoe?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The young man told them all to the king. The king was unbelieving, but the young man sought a silver twig and a gold cup from the sparkling castle. The king knew that was true.
And the king kept his promise and allowed the youth to marry one of his daughters. The youth said that he wanted to marry the youngest. The four dancing daughters were not happy for their secret to be uncovered. But the youth and the youngest princess were married and lived a happy life forever.
The first day, when the youth was away outside the first princess's room, the princess came out with a glass of lemonade. You must be thirsty. We make the water lemonade for you. Let's drink. The young man covered the grandmother curtain and drank it, and he was sleepy. He fell asleep throughout.
Princesses dance until morning. The princesses climb the rock, cross a river, ride a truck horse, climb a very long staircase, and finally
Isya takut.
All the princesses were wearing their prettiest dresses. They styled their hair and dyed the hair pretty. Of course, they used their muses. Can you tell me the princesses were wearing their prettiest dresses? They styled their hair and dyed the hair pretty. Of course, they used their muses. Can you tell me the princesses live? At that moment, the lion had to make the stirring sound. All the princesses were wearing their prettiest dresses. They styled their hair and dyed the hair pretty. Of course, they used their muses. Can you tell if princesses live? At that moment, all the princesses were wearing their prettiest dresses. They styled their hair and dyed the hair pretty. Of course, they used their muses. Can you tell if princesses live? At that moment, the lion had to make a stirring sound.
Coba Yuri clap dulu Yur. Nyoba doang nyoba. Ayo dah. Kelihatan? Ya maksud aku si Yuri narik dulu tapi Yurinya pas narik nggak kelihatan. Cuman Sabita pas kelihatan. Ya. Oke. Nanti dulu, gue mau nyoba doang. Ayo coba Yuri tarik dulu. Udah. Ya kan?
The young man took a golden cup without anyone touching it.
They were to door after the princess's room, but after a few days, no one could break the mystery.